Are you tired of living a life that doesn't align with your values? Do you yearn to do what you love, travel and spend time with loved ones, but feel trapped by financial constraints? Well, I have good news for you. Achieving financial independence and living the life you want is not just a pipe dream. It's totally achievable. But the question is how? How do you get there from where you are now? The answer lies in following these 5 simple yet powerful steps. Get clear on what you want, create a financial plan, invest in yourself, invest in assets, and focus on long-term goals. So, my friend, are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Welcome to the Real World Skills Channel, stories that teach success. It's great to be here today and share with you some practical steps to achieving financial independence and living the life you want. I'm excited to take you on a journey of personal growth, self-discovery, and financial freedom. Let's be real. We all want to live a life of our own design, where we can do what we want and have enough money to support our dreams. But the question is, how do we get there? Well, I have good news for you. It's not rocket science, and it's definitely achievable. So let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. First things first, you need to get crystal clear on what you want out of life. This step is all about self-discovery and understanding what truly matters to you. You can't achieve financial independence and live the life you want if you don't know what that life looks like. So ask yourself, what are your goals, dreams, and aspirations? What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? Once you have a clear vision of what you want, write it down and make it tangible. The more vivid and specific you can be, the better. Step 2. Create a financial plan. Now that you know what you want, it's time to create a financial plan to achieve it. This is where the rubber meets the road. A financial plan is essentially a roadmap that helps you get from where you are now to where you want to be financially. Start by looking at your current financial situation. How much money do you make? How much do you spend? What are your debts and expenses? What are your assets and income streams? Once you have a clear picture of your finances, create a budget and a savings plan that aligns with your goals. This might involve cutting back on expenses, increasing your income, or both. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the most important things you can do to achieve financial independence and live the life you want. This means investing in your education, your skills, your health, and your relationships. Take courses, attend seminars, read books, and seek out mentors who can help you grow and develop. This will not only increase your earning potential, but also make you more marketable in the job market. Step 4. Invest in assets. Another key step to achieving financial independence is investing in assets that generate passive income. This could be anything from real estate to stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The key is to invest in assets that have a long-term growth potential and generate income streams that are sustainable and predictable. Step 5. Focus on long-term goals. Finally, it's important to focus on long-term goals and stay committed to the process. Financial independence is not something that happens overnight, but it is achievable if you stay focused, disciplined, and patient. Set realistic goals, celebrate your wins, and learn from your failures. Surround yourself with like-minded people who support and encourage you along the way. In summary, achieving financial independence and living the life you want is a journey that requires discipline, focus, and patience. By following these steps, you can create a clear vision of what you want, develop a financial plan to achieve it, invest in yourself and your assets, and stay committed to the process. Remember, financial independence is not just about money. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and allows you to do what you love. So take action today and start living the life you want. I gotta tell you, I just heard some amazing advice on achieving financial independence and living the life you want. But let me ask you something. Are you just going to stop there? Are you going to settle for just hearing some good advice? Or are you going to take action and make it happen for yourself? That's why I want you to check out the video description below. We've got some amazing free and paid resources for you that can help you take the next steps toward financial freedom. From ebooks to Notion templates, we've got everything you need to get started on the path to success. But don't just take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself. And here's a little teaser for you. In our next video, we're going to be talking about how to make the most of your income. But here's the controversial question that's going to get you thinking. Did you know that most people only use about 10% of their income to build wealth and invest in themselves? That's right. 90% of their money goes toward expenses and debt. So, what can you do to make sure you're not one of those people? Tune into our next video to find out.